If your office printer just died in the middle of a 100-page print job, you already know that sinking feeling. Here in New York City, where over 183,000 small businesses keep the economy running, a broken printer isn't just an inconvenience. It's lost revenue, missed deadlines, and frustrated employees staring at a flashing error light. According to recent industry data, the average office worker still prints around 10,000 pages every single year. That's not going away anytime soon. And when that printer goes down, everything backs up. Contracts don't get signed, invoices don't go out, patient forms, legal briefs, shipping labels, all of it grinds to a halt. So what do most businesses do? They Google printer repair near me and hope for the best. But here's the thing most people don't realize. Not all printer repair is created equal, especially in a city like New York, where time is literally money. Let's talk about what actually matters when you need printer repair in New York City. First, response time. In Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Staten Island, and out on Long Island, you need a technician who can get to your office fast. Not next week. Not we'll call you back. Same day. That's why ABC Computer Services sends technicians directly to your location for on-site repairs. No packing up your printer, no hauling it across town, no waiting days for a depot to ship it back. Second, multi-brand expertise. Your office probably doesn't run just one brand. You might have an HP LaserJet in accounting, a Xerox copier in the front office, and a Brother label printer in the shipping department. ABC's technicians are trained on HP, Canon, Xerox, Toshiba, Ricoh, Brother, Epson, Lexmark, Samsung, Sharp, and more. One call covers everything. Third, think about cost. Industry research shows that printing costs businesses an average of $725 per employee every year. That adds up fast, especially when you're paying for emergency repairs that could have been prevented. ABC offers printer service contracts and managed print services that can cut those costs by 20 to 30%. Regular maintenance catches small problems before they become expensive breakdowns. Here's something a lot of New York businesses don't think about until it's too late. Preventive maintenance. It's like getting your car's oil changed. You can skip it for a while, but eventually you're looking at a much bigger bill. A simple cleaning, roller replacement, or firmware update can add years to your printer's life and keep your print quality sharp. And if you're dealing with specialty equipment, plotters for architectural firms, zebra printers for warehouse labels, barcode scanners for inventory, ABC handles those too. These aren't the kind of machines you want an amateur poking around inside. Now, printer-related issues make up anywhere from 15 to 50% of all help desk calls in a typical office. That's a huge chunk of your IT team's time being eaten up by paper jams and toner errors. When you have a dedicated printer repair partner like ABC, your IT staff can focus on what they're actually hired to do. Whether you're a law firm in Midtown, a medical practice in Brooklyn, a logistics company on Long Island, or a startup in Queens, your printers need to work when you need them. No excuses. ABC Computer Services has been keeping New York businesses running with fast, reliable on-site printer repair. We service all 5 boroughs and Long Island, and we're just a phone call away. Visit us at abccomputerservices.com or give us a call at 212-858-9022 to schedule your repair or ask about a service contract. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got more tips coming on, keeping your office equipment running smoothly here in New York City. See you in the next one.